Ever wondered how to grow a YouTube channel fast? How to turn an idea, a passion, or a message into a thriving online community? The path to growth on YouTube is not a secret, but it does require some savvy. First and foremost, focus on creating high-quality content. This is the heartbeat of any successful YouTube channel. Videos must be well-produced, informative, and engaging. They should resonate with viewers, leaving them wanting more. Next, optimize your videos for search. Utilize relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This makes it easier for potential viewers to discover your content when searching for related topics. Don't forget to promote your videos outside of YouTube. Share your content on social media, embed videos on your website or blog, and consider collaborations with other YouTubers in your niche. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, answer questions, and join in discussions. Building relationships with viewers encourages them to subscribe and return to your channel. Consistency is key. Regular upload schedules keep viewers engaged and coming back for more. Whether it's once a week or twice a month, find a rhythm that works for you and your audience. Want to turbocharge your growth? Consider running contests and giveaways, cross-promoting with other YouTubers, and using end screens and cards to promote other videos and playlists. Create engaging thumbnails that grab attention. And always use analytics to track progress and identify what's working well. Remember, YouTube growth takes time and effort. Don't become disheartened if results aren't immediate. Persistence is key. In the year 2023, consider focusing on creating short-form content. This type of content is more digestible on mobile devices and more shareable on social media. Use trending topics in your videos for more visibility. Go live regularly to interact with your audience in real time and build stronger relationships. And consider using YouTube Shorts. These videos are up to 60 seconds long and can help you reach a new audience while promoting your longer content. In conclusion, growing a YouTube channel fast involves creating high-quality content, optimizing for search, promoting outside YouTube, engaging with your audience, and being consistent with your uploads. With patience and persistence, you can grow your YouTube channel and create a thriving online community.